Okay, today we are going to cook soup. This is the ingredients: green onions, the purple onions, the mushroom, the carrots, potato. This one we have different kind of pasta, chicken, broth mix. Water was already boiling here, and then first you have to use drop the chicken and turkey. Okay guys, it's already boiling. You have to put this pasta. We have to drop the onions, the potato. Okay, we have to stir this after 5 minutes. Then you have to drop the carrots and the mushroom. Then simmer it for another 10 minutes. Cover this. Okay guys, the chicken soup is already boiling, and it was already 10 minutes, so we have to add the chicken broth. I think we have to add the water for it. We have to wait for another 10 minutes, and then we have to add salt and pepper. And then we have to try. Super, I like it. The flavor is good. Okay, that's it guys. And we have to serve that for dinner. Thank you. Hello, good evening. Today we are going to have a dinner. We have a special celebration tonight. They celebrate the father and the daughter. Okay? So I'll show you. The celebrant si Ay.
Hi!
Happy birthday, Ta!
Thank you,
Happy
thank
birthday!
you.
And the daughter over there.
Hi!
Hello! Happy birthday, sweetheart!
Thank you!
And we have a small celebration. Small celebration today. I prepared this, but it's a little bit late because I'm so busy in the morning. So, you know, the problem is that we have to catch this fish or the lobster from the grocery store. So look at this, lobsters there. And some of those, this is a basa fish, the okra and asparagus. We have a salad there over there. And over there, look at that. It's a salmon, beef, and a chicken. Right? So over there is a potato. We have like a small celebration today. Of course, the wife of the celebrant, Nana. Come on, say hi. Happy birthday, sweetheart there. Hey, this is a Kyrie. Look at that boy. Come on, boy. You see that boy. Come here. Kyrie. Hey, Kyrie. Kyrie, here. Look at that, Kyrie. Ooh. Look at that boy. Okay, you are beside your mom. Here, Kyrie. Look at that. See, happy birthday, Lolo. Chicken. Oh, that's potato. Happy birthday to you. Kyrie, whose birthday, Kyrie? Kyrie, whose birthday?
Thank you!
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Hello. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like it, thumbs up and subscribe for me. Leave comments or ring the bell for my updated videos. Thank you very much guys. Please share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.